Sanibona, phinde nginibingelele nje namhlanje nangaleli thuba, nangalolu suku, nangalomzuzu, nangaleli hora ngingakubala konke nangaleli langa nje uNkulunkulu asethe wasibusisa ngalo namhlanje kuhlezi kwenkulu nemangalisayo intokozo ukuthi sihlale sihlangana ngezindaba zasekhayizulwini, sihlangana ngalezi ndaba ezinkulu, sihlangana ngalezi zindaba zeqiniso, sihlangane ngalezi zindaba zokuphila kwethu, especially ukuphila kwangale kwethuna noma ukuphila okuphakade, ngoba angifuni bantu baNkulunkulu silibele sishona le nale sizenza abantu abangaboni, abangaqondi, abangazi futhi ukuthi impilo kahle kahle la emhlabeni iwumzuzwana kangakanani, incane kangakanani, and futhi isi-useless kangakanani if singenayo uNkulunkulu. That is why okusuke kujule nje kwenhliziyo yami, I always get so painful if kuzoba nomuntu ozothi esikhathini samanje ayikho indaba yokukholwa, ayikho indaba kaNkulunkulu, ayikho indaba yeBhayibheli, asikho isihogo, azikho zonke lezi zinto lezi, senziwe ilima kudlalwa ngathi. I get so painful ekujuleni kwenhliziyo yami because ngibuka i-level yobuncane anayo lo muntu lo emdala kodwa it's like mhlawumbe umuntu ona 40 kodwa cabangise kwengane ena 2 days. Yes, ena 2 days. That's how extent I can take this thing, because awukwazi ukuthi kuzona zonke izinto esizibonayo ezenzakalayo ozizwayo wena uzothi uNkulunkulu akekho. So how did these things get created? Uzothi uNkulunkulu akaphili, how uzokholela kwi-evolution ukuthi umuntu aqala waba imfene walandela kanjalo kanjalo? That thing doesn't even make sense. And abantu, I really do not understand ukuthi why bengafuni ukufinyelela ekuthenini bafune ukwazi, because people abazi, and that is so true, that is very true. People abazazi izinto eziningi, abazazi, abaziqondi futhi abahlakaniphanga. But how about you want to know ukuthi why lento yenzeke kanje, why hlezi kunabantu abashumayelayo, why hlezi nabantu abakhuluma kanje, why abantu be interested kuleli Bible lakhona, why abantu be interested ekutheni bazulazula njalo ngamasonto umuntu yagqigqwa enkonzeni, why abantu beyilambise nani bezila ukudla, why abantu befundana nalencwadi, why abantu beshintsha, why abantu bebehave kanje. I wish abantu bengakwazi to get that ability to be more curious ekuthenini bafuna ukwazi izinto eziningi ezikhona, especially izinto eziningi ezizokwenzeka kulesi sikhathi esiphila kusona njengamanje, because kuningi okwenzakalayo, kuningi okuhlaselayo, kuningi okufuna ukunqoba lapha emhlabeni, and miningi imimoya esibusa njengamanje. The more ibusa, the more abantu they get to draw all the love away from uNkulunkulu, all the love away from ukholwa, all the love away from finding themselves, finding their hearts, finding ukuthi bona bangobani. It doesn't even make sense ukuthi umuntu kangahlali nje ayibuza ukuthi mina kahle kahle why nginemigqa kanje ezandleni, why nginamehlo awuthuna, why ngineyinkope, why abantu bengayibuzi zonke lezo zinto, why abantu bengahlali bake bayibuze nje just deep questions. But abantu bahlezi beyibuza ukuthi hey, I wonder nje why lapha kamakhelwane umama khona ehlezi egqoka igown kuze kushawa 3. Uzozibuza ngaleyo nto le, into ongahlangana nayo, into engeke zakusiza ngalutho. You keep on asking yourself many questions angasile adunga ingqondo yakho, awenza ukuthi umosheleke isikhathi ekuthenini uzibuze ngezinto ezisemqoka, ezizoba usizo, ezizolapha wena, ezizokhulula wena, futhi ezizosiza wena at the end of the day. So as I was saying, bantu bakaNkulunkulu, ukuthi we live in times right now whereby everything that we are doing, everything that we are supposed to be doing njengamanje, kumele ngabe indlela yokulungiselela umbuso wezulu, indlela yokuyikhaya ezulwini, indlela yokulungiselela, sihlele mbele ngazo zonke izindlela, nanoma ingayiphi into ongayenza ngesikhathi sakho ngomzuzu ongaba nayo, because ayisekho into I want to promise you people, ningakubona konke kusakuhle, kusaright, kusahlapha umhlaba usangaphila for as good as 100 years, but ayisekho into eyigugu lapha emhlabeni njengamanje. ayisekho, because into eyigugu kahle kahle back then it was the love, ubumbano, ukuthandana, lokho komndeni, nihlangane nibukane, nigonane, nibelethane. Njengamanje ingane ayisadlala omagqugqushana, ayisadlala omabelethana. Njengamanje umuntu udlala igame, adlale leyo game leyo, isilwane sibelethe esinye isilwane, adlala ama-movie nanani. Alisekho leliya thando. Yazi, to share something nje that just happened recently. I asked a very small boy, I think he's 10 years old, and I was like, boy, yini ekujabulisayo lapha emhlabeni? Wathula ngaze ngathi no, it's okay, I'm giving you his cards. Awukucabangi nje yini ekujabulisayo, especially njengamanje lesikhathi esiphila kusona. And I gave him, I think, for around like an hour, because bengumfana nje kade ngihleli naye nani whole day. So mase ngimbuza, phinde ubuye enhlizweni yami ukuthi let me ask this boy ukuthi, hey, angikhohliwe njalo, I asked you a question, what is it oyithandayo ekujabulisayo lapha emhlabeni? And he was like, and I was so disappointed ukuzwa impendulo yakhe. Yazi what he said? He said to me, into engijabulisayo nje ukuthi ngihlezi nginemali. Ngithi mina, how old are you? Una 10. Ngithi uyimalini leyo hlezi uthanda ukuthi ube nayo? And it was like 10 rand each and every day. And I was like, uphatha malini esikoleni? And it was like uphatha 5 rand. But yena ujajuliswa ukuthi abe no 10 rand njalo every day. Yona into emjabulisayo leyo ukuthi njalo mele hleze nento yokuthenga, njalo mele hleze nento yokuthenga. And I'm like, okay, so njengoba kuvalwe ikole njengamanje ujajuliswa yini because awutholi kwayilo 5 rand lo uphathayo mohamba esikoleni? And it was so quiet. And I asked him ukuthi ujajuliswa kanjani u10 rand if uphatha u5 rand? Where do you get the other 5 rand? Where do you get the other money? Where how do you get to a point la uzothi khona okay ngiyajabula ke because I have everything and what I want ngalesikhathi engifuna ngaso? Because at the end of the day le mali, number 1, uzothi yakujabulisa, number 1 awuyitholi njalo. Actually awuyitholi inhlobo at all. Mhlawumbe uzuyiphante or uzintshontshe or do something ongayenza. Number 2, le mali le ozothi iyakujabulisa wena, it is the very same money njengamanje eyimpande yesono. It is the very same money njengamanje ephelayo lapha emhlabeni. It is the very same money njengamanje engenza wena ungenele ezintweni ezingekho right, engenza ukuthi wena untshontshele uma wakho, engenza ukuthi wena untshontshele abangani bakho, engenza ukuthi untshontshelwe ngawuthisha wakho esikoleni, engenza ukuthi wenze nanoma yini just because you want this money. Ngakwenza nokuthi uquit isikole because you want to always have money. Because when you think in your brain and your mindset ukuthi whatever makes me happy, it is having this money. Into engijabulisayo ukuthi mina ngihlezi ngino 10 rand because, but the problem is akuzoma lapho, akuzogcina ku 10 rand. You're gonna grow up until 20 years, and masona 20 years shuthi uzojabulisa ukuthi ube namalini, ube no 3000 uzowuthatha, then uzohamba uyobamba inkunzi lapha, because ayikho into ephathekayo, like I was saying ukuthi ayikho into ejabulisayo ephathekayo njengamanje lesi sikhathi sokugcina. And the unfortunate part is that the more abantu bezitshela ukuthi bajajuliswa into ephathekayo, bajajuliswa imali, bajajuliswa izinto, kuzothi lezi zinto mase zingasekho sebephucwa, sebeshwankathelwa kuzona, because akuzona ezabo. At the end of the day bazalwa benqunu, bayofa benqunu, so bayazifuna lezi zinto, they seek and want them nanoma sezingasekho, nanoma sebephucwa zona. That is when people they get to change. That is when people they get to take the kind of love nomusa nobubele bakuthathe bakulahle, because they want what they think makes them happy, which is this so-called money. Imagine to a young person as young as 10 years uzojajuliswa imali. And I was like to him, yazi, I expected another answer. I expected ukuthi uzothi yazi ngijajuliswa nje ukuthi ngibone ngihleli noma uma engayanga emsebenzini, ngiyabuya emsebenzini, sorry, ngiyabuya esikoleni uma usengiphekile ukudla engikuthandayo. And I was like, that is what I expected from you. Ukuthi ujajuliswa ukuthi uma akayanga eclubini this weekend, uma akayanga ukuphuza. And he laughed at me mangisho njalo, because the mother drinks every weekend. And I was like, beyitshethu uzothi yilokhu ukuthi uma right this weekend uhleli nathi akahambanga akaemoshanga imali yethu akenzanga u1 no 2 no 3 because those are the challenges esibhekene nawo njengamanje. Those are the challenges abazali abancikisa ngawo abantwana babo because they waste the monies zezingane imali zeqolo nanani. They waste it on alcohol because they've got problems. They waste it on ukubhema because they've got problems. Problems ama relationships, ama problems ezezimali, ama problems ezezimndeni, ama problems okudla emsebenzi, zonke lezi zinto ezikhona ezigcina zidunga izingqondo zabantu njengamanje. And I was like, I thought wena uzothi ujatshuliswa ukuthi ubona ukuthula ezinkingeni ezikhona zikhona zinjalo. But I am so disappointed that now you want to get to the same problem, now you want to get to the same pit, now you want to get to the same thing because that is what you think and believe ukuthi iyona into ejabulisayo because everyone is seeking it. So njengamanje kuringa imali engqondweni yengane, kuringa imali engqondweni yengane, ingane na 10 years kuringa imali. Imagine to the next generation ke. Imagine kumuntu ozalwa njengamanje oneminyaka u2 ukuthi yena ke masisena 10 years yena kuzobe kuringana. Naye kuzobe kuringa the same thing. Naye kuzobe kuringa the same money. Naye kuzoringa the same seeking of the same thing because abantu they lack understanding ukuthi not everything that represent love kusezintweni eziphathekayo. Yazi kufana nani, kufana noNkulunkulu uyayitshela lento enhliziyo yami njengamanje. Kufana nokuthi abantu babheke ama situations around and when they look at those situations, they determine ukuthi bafila kanjani, they determine ukuthi bajabule kanjani. Those situations determine ukuthi banjani njengaleso sikhathi. Like it's like seeing ukuthi umndeni wami uya nginokhazi wami ogulayo Nkosi yami umngane wami unenkinga yo1 no 2 no 3. So that situation is determine ukuthi wena right noma awukho right. I'm not sure if I'm making it this clear. Okay, let me try and make another example. Let's say you have a sick mother usesibhedlela and she has been sick for like 7 months. You have been asking bazalwane ngikhulekele umama akekho right. She has been sick for as long as this 7 months. So now when ngaso sonke isikhathi engqondweni yakho uzothi umuntu mekubuza ukuthi ha unjani, ay angikho right, kwenze njani uma uyagula, nangakusasa ha unjani angikho right, uma uyagula. How about you protect your heart? Because isho njalo incwadi yeZaga, I think it's Zaga 4 lapho ko verse 20, 21, 23 kanje ithi vikela ezintweni zonke, vikela inhliziyo yakho ngoba ilapho kukhona khona ukuphila kwakho. So wena yonke into eyenzakalayo kuwena izodetermine izinto ezenzeka lapha ngaphandle, izodetermine into eyenzeke izolo, izodetermine into ezowenzeka manje, izodetermine into eyenzeke ekuthanga, izodetermine into ezowenzeka kusasa. Ikona kuzoveza ukuthi right noma ukho right. No, it's about time, people of God, sikwazi ukuthi izingqondo zethu or our mindsets sike sizishifte away from situations. Uke uyisuse ingqondo yakho ukuthi okay, kwenzekile u1 no 2 no 3, kwenzekile izolo, mhlawumbe kuzokwenzeka futhi la ngiyakhona ngingayitholi lento engidingayo. But that should not determine ukuthi wena ke manje usuzoba right noma usuzoba wrong because leyo nto izowenzeka either way. Lo muntu uyagula either way, usesibhedlela either way. So wena usuzohlala ukuthi angikho right, my mom is sick. Kudala vela abasiki, kudala vela gula, kudala akwazi lokho, kudala uwakwazi lokho, kudala waqonda, kudala umbona futhi alibele ezolo obuhlungu. So you gonna be so traumatized as well, so drained, uzongaya indawo, uzolibela ukhala and do all these things. But life carries on at the end of the day. And there's this tough situation here when it gets to even death. I know Guti, it is a very important thing to grieve. It's important to cry. It is important ukuthi ukhumbule zonke izinto. Let's say you uma wako died or your father or whatsoever. It's very important to cry over them. It's important to grieve abanye bayazile or do whatever abathanda ukuthi bayenze. Those things are so important. But leyo nto leyo akumele kube into ozoyitshatha uhambe nayo ngaso sonke isikhathi ihlezi determine imood yakho. Ihlezi determine ukuthi ngidiniwe nje ngenxa ukuthi ngicasukile ngenxa yokuthi ngikhathele ngenxa yokuthi no. Singabantu, we need to take our brains out of situations, because situations will always be situations. Inkinga yohlezi inkinga, ukugula kuyohlezi kugula, we've seen it. Ukufa kuyohlezi kukuhle, we see it every day. Zonke izinto will always happen lapha emhlabeni ngendlela ezenzeka ngayo, ngendlela futhi ezithanda ngayo, nangendlela ekuhleleke ngayo in the realm of the spirit. But those things, they shouldn't touch us or get through us and within us and zidetermine ukuthi thina sizizwa kanjani, noma si right noma si wrong. But because deep within ngaphakathi kuwena uzozucasuke ngenkani, uzozucasuke ngamasibomo uma ungacasukile just because kwenzeke into komunye umuntu. It doesn't make sense. Singabantu, we need to fix our mindsets in such a way that noma kwenzekile noma kungenzekanga ngisafana ngisanjalo, because angishitshile mina ngithi whether ungithukile, whether ukhuluma okubi ngami, whether wenzeni, bayakubona yini abanye abantu ukuthi ungithukile. Mangihamba endleleni khona abantu ababuka uthi hawu Nkosi yami bamthukile. No, mohamba endleleni khona abantu ababuka ukuthi hawu Nkosi yami bakithi yazi ugulela uma wakhe. No, mohamba endleleni khona abantu ababona ukuthi yazi nje kade shona manje nje umntwana wakhe wesithathu kade shona manje. No, no one can see that. Akekho umuntu okwazi ukubona leyo nto mohamba endleleni. But wena ke ngokudangala kwakho, ukudicibala kwakho, ukukhala kwakho, ukuhayiza kwakho, uyilahla phansi ngokuqhuleka ukwenza zonke lezi zinto, wena ke usuzilandela amehlo ukutshengisa ukuthi kahle kahle empilweni yami kwenze ku1 no2 no3 njengamanje. Wena ke usuzilandela yonke leyo, you're going to draw all this that attention towards yourself, so that people can see ukuthi uyiphi mood, so that people can see ukuthi ukusiphi state, so that people can see ukuthi kwenzakalani empilweni yakho njengamanje. But it is not necessary, because everything inesikhathi sayo, everything iyafika, everything iyadlula, everything ithatha indawo, everything isusa indawo, everything izokwenzeka either way, whether you like it or not, whether uzofila kanjani izokwenzeka vele. Whether uzohayiza usuza ukuthi ushonile ugingqike nemoto, okusalayo kwenzekile. Okusalayo you won't reverse that. Ukuthi uyagula lapha esibhedlela onesi abamphathi kahle, onesi benze ukuthi wena uyakhala ngenxa yalokho, noma uzobathethisa onesi, noma uzobacasukela onesi, noma uzoxoxa ngabo komakhelwane, noma uzokwenzani, it's not gonna change anything. Akuzoshintsha lutho, kuzokwenzeka either way. Leso simo leso sizoqhubeka sithatha indawo, leso simo leso sizoba njalo, whether you like it or not, whether you believe it or not. So singabantu, we should not look at the circumstances akhona around bese siwenza adetermine ukuthi thina sizizwa kanjani, adetermine imood yakho, adetermine ukuthi uzojabula noma ngeke uzojabula. That is when isidinga uKristu ngaso sonke isikhathi, because uma unoKristu uhlezi unenjabulo nokuthula, whether kwenzakaleni empilweni, whether kwenzakaleni emhlabeni, uhlezi unalezo zinto lezo zombili. Because your mindset understands ukuthi this is just a situation. Your mindset understand ukuthi lento iyadlula. Your mindset understand ukuthi lento ayiqali ngami. Your mindset understand ukuthi lento ayigcini ngami. Your mindset understand ukuthi lento iyohlezi yenzeka each and every day. Ukhala kwakho akusizi ngalutho. Phela yazi kujabulisana. Kujabulisa isitha sakho, kujabulisa usathane, kujabulisa lo yamakhelane nomona, kujabulisa lo yamngane ongafuni ukuthi ujabule, kujabulisa all the dark forces nabo bonke abantu abangenandaba nabafuna ukuthi uzwele ubuhlungu. So khala ke. Khala ke yonke into yakhalisa wena, you are the weakest. So as I was saying, I was really disappointed when I heard that boy ukuthi, you know, jatshulise imali ekubeni ekugcineni kusuku le mali siyayibona sokuthi yaphela, naka ama robots ayanda noma bengawa implement bengakafaki, but babhizi bawakhanda la beyokhanda khona, and azothatha imisebenzi, azothatha yonke into ekhona abantu abathi bathembele kuyona, so that abantu bezohlanya, and abantu ila khona kuzoba nama trauma amaningi emhlabeni, ila khona indlala izowanda emhlabeni, ila khona abantu bezodlana bodwa, bezobulalana, ila khona abantu bezozibulala bona, because they would not stand this kind of life esiyakuyona njengamanje. Actually, this kind of life esesiyiphila njengamanje, they will not stand it. ngeke baze bakwazi ukuyimela, so they will do anything to save themselves. Well, it's actually they are thinking ukuthi they are saving themselves, kodwa kanti abayisindisi kwilutho. Kunalokho bayazilimaza, bayazibulala, and suicide is always a sin, and isono akukho ukuphila ngale kwethuna uma ufele kuso. Nasi isihloko sethu namhlanje sithi yazi futhi khumbula okumele ukucele kuJehova. Yazi there's something I like kakhulu ngoNkulunkulu ukuthi uhleze lethu ukuhlakanipha, uhleze epha ukuqonda, uhleze epha amasu, because ungumnini wamasu wonke, ungumnini wokuhlakanipha konke. Everything ehlangene nokuhlakanipha lapha emhlabeni represent uNkulunkulu. But before you get that kind of smartness, kuzodinga ukuthi wenze into eyodwa kuqala, uwenzani? Ukwesaba uJehova. And if umesaba uJehova ngayo yonke inhliziyo yakho, umesaba uJehova ngakho konke kwakho, umthanda ngenhliziyo yakho, ingqondo yakho, ngamandla akho, ngomphefumulo wakho, nangesikhathi sakho, then is when uNkulunkulu ezokwazi ukuthi asondele kuwe, akunikeze lokho okudingayo ngesikhathi esifanele. It's the same as solving situations. Solving izinkinga ezikhona, uNkulunkulu uzogayela isu ukuthi okay, yazini isolve ngale ndlela, because he sees the rightful plan elungele wena, by using umoya kaNkulunkulu ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ukusolvele zonke izinto. So uNkulunkulu uyakatshale kakhulu amazwi akhe, awatshale asisinde ngawo ezinhlizweni ukuthi yazi kahle nayo inkinga, nayo inhlekelela, nayo into abantu ababhekene nayo. So ngokutshala kwakhe amazwi ngaso sonke isikhathi, uNkulunkulu uyakalethe ukuhlakanipha ukuthi yabo njengoba sekunenkinga ekanje, ukuhlakanipha ke ungasolve le nkinga noma ongenza ukuthi ilungiseke. Ngcono wenze kanje, ngcono uhambe kanje, ngcono uwenze 1 no 2 no 3. When the Lord sees ukuthi okay, usebenzisa ipeni la inki, and ipeni la inki lihlezi liphela because ubhala njalo, yazini ngcono wenze njani, rather use a pencil, or rather buy amapena inki uwathenge in bulks, because mhlasimpe you prefer working ngepeni la inki because lomsizi ngaqhamuka irabha nje erase leyo nto leyo oyibhalile, kanti it's something that is very important. So athi ngcono nje usetown, rather buy them in bulks nokuthi ulibele uthenga nga1 because you are wasting. Sifana nale ndaba le airtime, thola ukuthi umuntu uthenga iairtime njalo athi iyashesha ukuphela, phinda thenga, phinda kwaleta, thenga, phinda kwalete, iyashesha ukuphela. Leyo muntu they are wasting. Athi uNkulunkulu rather because enyangeni njengoba uthenga iairtime njalo uyafika na 100 rand, ngcono uyisheshe uyithenge manje airtime 100 rand, umuntu abuka ukuthi ayingeke airtime eningi kangaka. Kanti at the end of the day ngalama airtime wathenga njalo every 3 days uphinda ukwelete na uyafika ku200, but ukuthi kufika unganakanga, ungabonanga ukuthi kugcine kufikile. Kodwa ngoNkulunkulu, by his word of wisdom, his word of truth, his word of good ideas, uyakakunikeza umqondo okhaliphile, akusheshe kusize kusase nethuba, kusase eli, usangakwazi ukuthi usizakala, usangakwazi ukuthi ulungise. And you will find out ukuthi ngokuthenga lo 100 rand they will give you discounts. Ngokuthenga lo 100 rand you can buy more data elingahlala for the whole month. For this ngalo 100 rand ungenza izinto eziningi, because you always use your money for data. Nani futhi ngesibe khona isidingo sokuthi ukwelete, ngesibe khona isidingo sokuthi izinto eziningi sheshe uNkulunkulu akulungisele kona, asheshe azame ukuthi akusize. So the Lord, njengoba siphila ezikhathini zokugcina njengamanje, sihlezi sihlangana ngezenkulu izindaba zasekhaya ezulwini, sihlanganela iqiniso, sihlanganela imphefumulo yethu, sihlanganela ukuphila okuphakade okuzoba usizo kithina, because sonke siyakudinga ukuphila okuphakade, sonke siyathanda ukubona uJesu enkazimulweni, sonke siyathanda umbona umfeli wethu, siphile kanye naye, bese sihlale ebukhoneni bakhe ngenjabulo nangentokozo nangokwethaba impilo yethu yonke. Because I know and understand the Lord always says this ukuthi everyone wishes to live. That is why abantu beze bengena ezindaweni ezirong kangakanani, beze begingqikela emabandlela amarongi, begingqikela abafundisi abarongi, abaprofeti abarongi. Because why? Ingaphakathi labo is really seeking ukuphila. It is really seeking uNkulunkulu. Zibuza ukuthi why uzulande loya dokotela obizayo mengabe ugula, because you want to live, because you want to ukuthi usurvive, because you want to live as long. Sonke singabantu siyakuthanda lapha emhlabeni, sonke singabantu siyakuthanda ukuphila okuphakade, sonke singabantu siyakuthanda ukuphulukisa, sonke singabantu siyazithanda izinto eziningi. Eternal life, we all want eternal life. That is why abanye baze behlala emshinini, umuntu bamfaka emshini khona ezophefumula, khona ezophila, because ukuphila igugu, ukuphila, I repeat, igugu. And nala emhlabeni siyakuthanda ukuphila khona. uNkulunkulu wasidalela umhlaba. It is amazing ukuphila emhlabeni. It is amazing ukujabula, it's amazing ukuthula, it's amazing entertainment, having fun and all these things. Zimnandi, siyazithanda zonke lezi zinto, futhi siyazilangazelela, futhi siyazifuna. That is why ke uJehova umdali wezulu nomhlaba ehlezi silethela amazwi okuhlakanipha ukuthi masikufuna ngempela lokuphila okuphakade asenzeni kanje. Masikulangazelela ngempela lokuphila okuphakade asihambeni kanje. Masikudinga ngempela lokuphila okuphakade asimove kanje, senze kanje, singakwenzi lokhu, senze lokhu. So singabantu kuzomela si-understand ukuthi njalo ukuhlangana ngezindaba ezinkulu zikababa wethu ohlala ekhaya ezulwini, sihlanganele ukuthi sizisize thina, sihlanganele ukuthi sizihlenge thina, sihlanganele ukuthi sihlezi sisebukhoneni bakhe, sihlanganele ukuthi sikuthole ngempela lokuphila okuphakade. So ngomhla ka-29 Juni 2024, it was the morning nje kuyisabatha, uNkulunkulu atshela kakhulu lamazwi alesi sihloko enhlizweni yami ukuthi kumele sikwazi futhi sihlezi sikukhumbula ekumele sikucele kuJehova uNkulunkulu ongumdali wezulu nomhlaba. Singabantu kumele si-understand ukuthi we always make many mistakes. Senza amaphutha amaningi lapha emhlabeni ngokuthatha, yes, you know the huge mistake ongayenza ungumuntu, it is taking a risk. I-risk yokuthi wenze isinqumo esi-wrong at the end of the day. We are making amaphutha amaningi ngokuthatha ama-risk ngezinto eziningi lapha emhlabeni. Ikakhulukazi we are busy taking risk ngempilo zethu. That is why I said by the start of this video ukuthi I feel so hurt if kunomuntu ozothaka amazwi uJehova, if kunomuntu ozothi akekho uJehova, if kunomuntu ozothi alikho izulu. Njengoba kuthi uJehova adala izulu nomhlaba, njengoba kukhona umhlaba nje wena uzothi alikho izulu. How ridiculous. How crazy, how insane, how weak. How young. How immature is that? Very, very immature. So senza iphutha elikhulu lokuthatha i-risk ngeimpilo zethu ngokwenzani, ngokungaqapheli ekumele sihlezi kusengqondweni zethu. We need to be cautious ngaso sonke isikhathi. Siqaphele konke kumele sihlezi kusengqondweni zethu ukuze sizisize, sizihlelembelele thina kulesi sikhathi esiphila kusona njengamanje. Everything kumele idlale engqondweni zethu, akuyona le yamali edlala engqondweni yale ngane kade ngiyibuza yesterday ukuthi uthandani. But into emele idlale engqondweni zethu ukuthi sisalifuna indlu lathando, sisakufuna indlu yakuthula, sisayifuna le njabulo yangampela engapheli elusizo esidingayo futhi thina singabantu. Those are the very, very questions that we need to keep on asking ourselves ukuthi do we still need help? Sisadinga ngempela lolu sizo noma sitshela ukuthi siyalidinga kodwa kahle kahle sidinge kahle. Siyalidinga ngempela. Siyamudinga uKristu, siyakudinga ukuphila. Siyamudinga uNkulunkulu lo weqiniso odalile izulu nomhlaba. Lo Jesu athi mefika lapha emhlabeni wafika wasilethela umusa phezikomusa, umusa wokuthi singabe sisavama ke manje ekwenzeni nanoma ikanjani ngaphambi kaNkulunkulu, but wayezogcwalisela ukuthi hayibo, khumbulani njalo ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyanithanda, khumbulani njalo ukuthi uNkulunkulu usanenzela umusa, khumbulani njalo ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyanilangazelela embusweni wezulu. And nami njengoba ngiza lapha emhlabeni ngizogcizelela, ngizogcwalisela ukuthi uJehova uJehova umdali wezulu nomhlaba, imithetho yakhe usathanda ukuthi igcine, usathanda ukuthi ihlonishwe. uJehova udala izulu nomhlaba usanikeza ithuba because already vele nizalelwa esonweni, kodwa ngokufa kwami nangezimfundiso zonke ngizogcizelela ukuthi uJehova konke akuyalezile kusanjalo. Nginenzela ithuba nentuba yokuthi nikwazi ukuthi niwubone umbuso wezulu because ngiyathanda ukuba nani, ndalo kaBaba. That is what we need to understand. Iyona into kumele igxabhe engqondweni zethu njengamanje lesikhathi esiphila kusona. Kumele kukhulekwe njengamanje, sikhulekele izinto ezisile, izinto ezizosisiza. Kumele sicele izinto ezibalekile, izinto ezingeke zasimoshela isikhathi ekuthenini size singaqondi noma size sithathe irisk yokumosha izimpilo zethu. Because if you are busy with something else ongayidingi empilweni yakho, you are taking a risk ngempilo yakho, uthatha irisk ngokuthi umoshele le thuba. I don't know if anyone can understand me mangithi, the more you are busy nezinto ezingeza kusiza ngalutho, uthatha irisk yokuthi lezi ezingasiza ngotho ugcina ungasayitholanga. Ubusy wena mhlasimpe ubusy nefoni isikhathi eside, uthatha irisk yokuthi njoba ungapheki manje ku3 o'clock, mind you aninaso istofu mhlawumbe segesi la ekhaya, aninaso istofu sasikene, aninaso istofu saparaffin, noma esinye futhi mhlawumbe ade kunethi izulu inkuni zimanzi. So njoba ungapheki ku3 kumele kudliwe ngo6, uthatha irisk njoba uthi ufuna ukupheka uzopheka mhlawumbe ngo4:30, you are taking a risk yokuthi kuzothi kushawa 4 uvela uhamba ugesi. So singabantu we need to understand ukuthi we are not at a point njengamanje empilweni zethu la khona kumele sithathe irisk ngezinto ezingeza siza ngalutho. We shouldn't be taking all these bad decision risk ngezinto eziningi ezikhona lapha emhlabeni, because they are just wasting time. They are time wasters. Kakhulu ngalokho. I just need you to quickly write that down. So yiko lamazwi ebaluleke kakhulu, as I was saying ukuthi singathathi irisk but baNkulunkulu ngokuthi sizimoshela isikhathi, because lesi sikhona njengamanje isona kuphela sinaso, asophinde saba khona esini. Ngoba kumele hlezi sikhumbule ukuthi ukufa kuhlezi kuseduzana, ukufa kuhlezi kulapha eminyango, ukufa kuhlezi kungakuthola nanoma inini nanoma ikephi. I remember there's this day, let me can I please just share this experience. There's this day when we were going I'm not sure, but ngange town in Nani, and moya kaNkulunkulu etexini nani was saying ukuthi nanoma njengoba sihamba nje kule tekisi asazi noma sofika yini la siyakhona, and abantu were like, oh and I will never forget this experience. Indlela abantu abathuka ngayo, and I'm like, abantu abadala kangaka bathuswa yini, because sonke siyazi ukuthi ukufa into ekhona, ukufa kuyofika nanoma inini nanoma kanjani nanoma ikephi. So asazi vele ukuthi noma sikule taxi sizofika yini la siyakhona. So akusizi futhi ukuthuka kwabo nokuthi bamangale nanani, because kuzoba njalo vele mase singasafikanga kuzobe ngasahlekwa. That is why it is very important ukuthi sihlezi cautious, sicabanga lezi zinto engqondweni zokuthi engqondweni zethu ukuthi makuthiwa kuyasifica njengamanje kuzosifica sikephi, makuthiwa kuyasifica njengamanje sizosifica sikephi ebukhoneni baNkulunkulu, uzosifica senzani kuNkulunkulu, uzosifica simkhonza kangakanani, uzosifica sikuphi, you know, things like that. Yikho lamazwi ebalekile kakhulu lawa athi hlalani nilindile ngokuba usuku nesikhathi anilwazi. You must always be ready, muntu kaNkulunkulu. And I want to specify something ukuthi uJesu ngalamazwi wayefaka okuningi, wayengafaki ukuthi ihlala ulinde umbuso wezulu uJesu esehla nethimba lasezulwini lizolanda ibandla lakhe noma athi ihlala ulinde ukufa. Cha, wayekhuluma ngezinto eziningi ngaleso sikhathi, because you can put as many things in this topic ukuthi be always ready. Ngaso sonke isikhathi kumele hlezi ulindile. So kumele hlezi ready for prayer. Singabantu kumele hlezi silungile. Nanoma uhamba endleleni wazi ukuthi I'm ready, noma umoya kaNkulunkulu ungavela uthi nje guqa manje ukhuleke ushone khona, because uyazi ukuthi uzisiza kuphi. Uyazi futhi ukuthi there is an attack that is coming. Mhlawumbe i-attack iyo-attack umndeni wakho, iyo-attack uma wakho, iyo-attack ubaba wakho, iyo-attack abantwana esikoleni, imoya izovuka. So umoya kaNkulunkulu will tell you ukuthi khuleka njengamanje, there's something that is about to happen. Nase-taxini you must be ready ukuthi khuleka njengamanje, le taxi le amadimoni ahlelela ukuthi ayiginqe noma ahlelela ukuthi ayenze 1 no 2 no 3. Khuleka njengamanje. You must always be ready. You must always be intending ukuthi ukwazi ukwenza yonke into ekudinga ukuthi uyenze ngaleso sikhathi. You must always be, mhlawumbe kuthiwa khuleka, mhlawumbe khona umuntu ofuna ukubamba inkunzi, mhlawumbe ubuyelethe emsebenzini, khona umuntu okulindele lapha ekhoneni. Ungakhuleka njengamanje, noma ungakhuleka njengamanje engavela angenele ucinga abizo bangani bakhe bethi phuthuma mngani wami nani sekwenze 1 no 2 no 3, things like that. Because ngaso sonke isikhathi we must always be ready. Singabantu kumele hlezi silindile, silungele ukuthi sikhuleke. So nalokho kumele sicele uNkulunkulu. Kumele hlezi sikhumbule ukuthi sicela ukuthi Nkosi ngiphe ukuhlezi ngilungile, ngilungele ukusondela kuwe, ngilungele ukwenza intando yakho. We must always be ready. Number 2, you must always be ready for fasting. This is something abantu abaningi ke abahlezi bengekho ready for yona, because it's not an easy thing. Akukho mnandi, kubhlungu actually akuzile ukudla. But you must always be ready, because uyazi ukuthi ngalokutuba inyama nje futhi isikhashana la so kuyisikhathi somkhuleko kahle lapho usukukhuleka unxusa. Khona la umoya kaNkulunkulu uzogijima uye khona. Khona la khona umoya kaNkulunkulu uzogijima uyosolva khona. Khona la umoya kaNkulunkulu uyogijima uyohlanganisa khona, uyogijima uyohlukanisa khona, uyogijima wenze anything ongayenza. So you must always be ready. Number 3, you must always be ready for gathering. Ukuthi okay, mhlawumbe fast nje kuthiwa abazalwana bahlangane estopini thizeni kuyahlangana kuyiwa emndenini ukuthi you must always be ready. Ingane kamakhelwane siyehlelwe isehlo umama lapha yana usevele waqhuleka. You must always be ready. Kumele gijimise umkhuleko kuleya ndawo, kumele gijimise umfundisi akekho right, unenkinga umfundisi kumele hanjele abazalwane nanani. You must always be ready for such gatherings. But uzothi angikho ready, angiwashile, angikho ready, mina nginamaplan, angikho ready, mina ngiphumelele emsebenzini, ngikhathele kabi. We must always be ready for all those things, because that is the only way we can show uthando towards each other. Yona ndlela singatshengisana uthando singabantu. Yona ndlela singatshengisana ubumbano singabazalwane. Yona ndlela singatshengisa ngayo kukhona bakaNkulunkulu kubantu futhi abangakholwa. Number 4, you must always be ready to listen. Ukulalela, kumele uhlezi ulungele ukulalela, because umoya kaNkulunkulu ukhuluma njalo. Noma ngasiphi isikhathi, whether ulele ebusuku, whether uyadla, whether uyahamba endleleni, whether uyagqoka, uyageza, ukhuluma njalo. Kumele uhlezi uready ukuthi ulalele, because kusuke kuyizwi kaNkulunkulu asuke etshala ngaleso sikhathi. Uzothi ngisageza uma kancane uNkulunkulu. Yes, it's a problem, and it's something esike siyenze kakhulu, because you know mangakaqonda uNkulunkulu uke ungenzi kahle ezinye izinto eziningi. And I'm also a victim of all that. Nami ngidinga ngishawele leyo nto leyo. Thola ukuthi umoya kaNkulunkulu is speaking something ejulile deep. Sethe ukuthi ngisawasha nani. We must always be ready abantu bakaNkulunkulu ukuthi silalele. We must always be ready. Ngaso sonke isikhathi ungambanjwa ubuthongo ngale ndlela ukuthi ungavuka ebusuku ubhale whatever uyiphuphile uNkulunkulu azama ukubonisa yona. Whatever uNkulunkulu azama ukuthi akuhlenge kuyona, whatever uNkulunkulu azama ukuthi akutshele yona, because ekugcineni kosuku as uNkulunkulu ehleze kusho kusizwa thina lapha emhlabeni. uNkulunkulu siza thina sihlalele inkinga ithina esihlalele ukulwiswa, ithina esihlalele yonke into ekhona njengamanje. So kuningi kakhulu ekumele sihlale sikulungele singabantu ukwenza, ngoba noma yini noma enini kungaba khona isidingo sokwenza okuthile, ikakhulukazi okukusiza thina singabantu since sisemhlabeni osukwande ububi ngalendlela osukwande ngayo. So kunezinto eziningi ke, but I just want to specify 2 ezingadala ukuthi ungazi. Number 2 ezingadala ukuthi ukhohlwe. Kahle kahle ukuze ungazi ukuthi into uyayidinga, number 1 uzongabuzi. I'm sure people can know and understand ukuthi, you know, for a child osamncane usuke engazi lutho angithi. So yonke into ukuze ayazi, they need to ask. Ngaso sonke isikhathi, mama ukuthi why wena mama uhlezi uhamba emsebenzini ngo-6, why wena mama uhlezi ugqoka ibhluke, why wena mama uhlezi wenza kanje, why wena mama kamakhelwane kudliwa kanje, wena mama usithengela, you know, abazi, they do not know. So they need to ask ngaso sonke isikhathi. Kuzomela bahlezi bebuza kubantu abazi kangcono khona bezobatshela, be-understand ukuthi okay, this is the reason why we do like this, this is the reason why thina siphila kanje, this is the reason why kwenzeka u1 no2 no3, because abazi bangabantwana. And umntwana ongabuzi uyena mntwana ohlezi ona ngaso sonke isikhathi, uyena mntwana ohlezi eshelela ngaso sonke isikhathi, uyena mntwana ohlezi engenzi kahle ngaso sonke isikhathi, because akabuzi. Ubuzwe kahle ukuthi awubuzanga ngani, why didn't you ask? Ushiwe ne-task kuthiwa ke ubusala upheke i-rice. Umzali yazi akuteste nje ukuthi ubusala upheke i-rice, ayitheste ukuthi uzobuza yini ukuthi lipheka kanjani. Uyazi ukuthi awazi ukuthi lipheka kanjani, you're only 8 years old. Athi ubawupheka i-rice namhlanje, it's okay. Uvele ufadabale, it's amanzi amaningi noma uluwashi kahle, abesethi ubungabuzi ngani. Because you know, when I instructed you ukuthi wenze lokho, I expected ukuthi uzobuza, because I know ukuthi awazi ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani. So singabantu kunezinto eziningi kakhulu esingazazi lapha emhlabeni. Asazi ukuthi zidalelweni, asazi zenziwe kanjani, asazi injongo, asazi izophelela kuphi, asazi yonke into, but asibuzi ngani. Imizimba yethu asiyazi ukuthi why idalwe kanje, why react kanje, why mangidla ukuthi ngibe ne reaction, why ngiyinwaye, why kunabantu abangaboni, why umuntu eshone. Kuningi abantu abangakwazi ukuthi even questions like kwenzakalani ngale kwethuna, kwenzakalani ezintweni ezokuthi, why then we do not ask? Why singabuzi? Because awazi ukuthi ukukholwa yini, ukukholwa into enjani, awazi ukuthi kukhulekelwani, awazi ukuthi kufundelani iBhayibheli, awazi ukuthi kuzilelani, bona abantu nje beyilambisa, awazi why abantu beyintabeni beyemanzini. Why don't you ask? Why ungabuzi? And I don't understand ukuthi it's always yes, the Lord is saying it to me, it's always a problem to many people. Is it a fear of asking? Ukusaba, uyasaba ukuthi ubuze. Fana umuntu etekisini ozongena, nangu udrive ukhona, awubuzi ngani ukudrive ukuthi driver kuyimalini ukuya endaweni ukuthi. It's as simple as that. Noma kuthiwa uhlele back umemeze, why ungabuzi? Uzobuza lesicela kwakho, ngiyasaba, ngizokutshela imali wrong, khona enye ezoyigcina. Oh, khona enye I don't know for what good reason. Yazi ukuthi there are rightful sources esingabuza kuona izinto eziningi. There are rightful sources angasinikeza the rightful information. I'm talking about umoya engcwele ke lapho. I'm talking about uNkulunkulu ke lapho, uqobo lwakhe uJesu Kristu. Sorry, I'm talking about umfelo wethu uJesu Kristu. Khuluma ngoNkulunkulu lapho odelela izulu nomhlaba. He is the only source of all the information, only source of all the knowledge esingathanda ukuthi silazi siliqonde, because lapha emhlabeni ayikho, I repeat, ayikho into esiyaziyo siqonde thina ngokwethu kwazi nangokwethu ucabanga. Why? Because akudalwanga yithi, akuvelanga ngathi, but ukhona okuvele ngaye, ukhona okudalwe nguye, ukhona umdali wakho konke odalele uqobo lwethu, wadala utshani, wadala izihlahla, wadala ilanga, inyanga, wadala yonke into, sinomoya ngenxa yakhe. Why don't we ask from the one who created all the things ukuthi zisho ukuthini kanti lezi zinto. Why do we have to ask abantu abangazi nabo? Why do we always have to go to the bad sources? Lama sources lawa phelayo. You always want to open i-tap. Kwi-tap amanzi abuya phela ngithi abuya ngaphumi. But awufuni umfula la ihleze gobhoza kaza phela unless kwi-drought isomiso nanani makuthi amanzi imvula ayikho at all emhlabeni. Nakhona futhi naloko kuvunyelwe isandla sikaNkulunkulu. Remember Eliya bemisa izimvula, uNkulunkulu wakuvumela konke lokho. Misa imvula for 3.5 years. Ngani ngesandla sikaNkulunkulu, because lokho ayekwenza it was something supernatural, into yakwamoya. So ngaso sonke isikhathi we need to understand bantu bakaNkulunkulu ukuthi isource, mangithi isource ngisho isiqalo la into iqala khona, konke kuqala kuNkulunkulu. Ekuqaleni uNkulunkulu wadala izulu nomhlaba. Genesis 1:1. Ekuqaleni he created yonke into. John 1:1. Ekuqaleni wayekhona ulizwi. Nangu Jesu, nangu uNkulunkulu. Nangu umoya waNkulunkulu khona njengamanje ikhathini zokugcina. And yazi umoya waNkulunkulu is the greatest teacher ngendlela eyisimanga. Because ukufundisa izinto ngendlela okuyiyona ngqo. Hayi ngendlela yokusurvive ukuthi hayi ngifuna ukuyibona kanje mhlasimpe ikanje cha. Kuba yiyona ngqo. It's the truth ngqo. Lona lo dua futhi elingaguquki elingashintshi. But it's unfortunate ukuthi siphila nabantu abangafuni ukwazi. Ekhona umuntu osolwazi, ekhona usolwazi, ekhona owazi yonke into ngoba uyena odalele konke vele. But people, they do not want to know. So kunezinto eziningi ezingadala ukuthi ungazi, ukungabuzi. Number 2, ungafundi. There is a lot of information. Igcwele YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Mningi ulwazi, abantu bayabhala, abantu bayathapha, abantu bayashumayela, abantu bayafundisa, abantu benza konke lokho. But awufuni wena ukufunda ngithi. Ufuna ukuhlala kanjalo ungazi. Then uzongazi ukuthi isiphi isikhathi esiright sokukhuleka, isiphi isikhathi esiright sokuzila, isiphi isikhathi esiright sokuthi uyihlambulule emanzini nanani, isiphi isikhathi esiright sokwenza 1 no 2 no 3. Uzohlezi ungakwazi lokho. So ziningi izinto ezidala ukuthi abantu bangazi. Because abafuni ukufunda. But I want to promise you something bantu bakaNkulunkulu. Njengoba incwadi yaHosea 6 is it 6:4 or 4:6. Ithi abantu bayabhubha ngenxa yokuswela ulwazi. Ithi kodwa ulwazi ululahlile, ngakho ke nami ngizokulahla. Ulwazi lukhona abantu bakaNkulunkulu, but people abalufuni lolu lwazi lolu oluzoba usizo kubona. Bafuna lolu lwazi lolu lokuthi how emalini la Nkosi yami lamateka kave ngiwathanda. Ufuna lolu lwazi lolu, lamateka lawa vele in the next 5 months azobe segugile. Ufuna lolu lwazi lolu, lona lwazi olufuna yiphi inyanga esizayo lezo kukhokhisa futhi, because awufuni ulwazi lweqiniso langempela. Awufuni ukufunda. And another thing, when it comes to ukufunda, it's not just ukufunda nje kuphela, but ukufunda and actually, you know, uthi musufundile uyigcina into efundile bese uyayenza. And it's more of applying than just keeping, because when you apply, that is when you will not forget into efundile. That is when you will not forget into suyazi. Uzolibele uqhubeka uyigcina, ulobe uqhubeka uyigcina, ulobe uqhubeka uyigcina. Because uyazi ukuthi kumele kuphekwe njalo ngo-6 angithi iparish la ekhaya, because wonke umuntu uhamba ngo-8 kumele ahambe esedlile. Ukuze ungakhohlwa ukuthi kuphekwa ngo-6 uzomela uhlezi uvuka njalo ngo-6, uvuka njalo ugcina sekuyinoma, ugcina sekujwayeleka. Why? Because ufunile ukwazi, wakulangazelela, wakushisekela, wase wakuthola, and then bese kwaba usizo kuwena. There's okunye futhi ukuthi abantu abafuna ababuzi. Number 2, abafundi futhi abazilungiseleli. So you will never know if you do not prepare yourself. ngeke uzowazi lutho, ngeke uzohlakaniphe if ungazilungiseleli. So isihloko sethu sithini? Sithi abantu abazi ukuthi kumele bakhulekele ini futhi bayakhohlwa. And the more ungazi ukuthi kumele ukhulekele ini, that is when inkinga zolibele njalo zikudwengula. Because wena awazi ukuthi kumele uyikhulekele injabulo yakho, awazi ukuthi kumele ukukhulekele ukuthula, awazi ukuthi kumele ukhuleke ukuthi usuyalala, amaphupho azokucindezela, ipho kuzokucindezela, because awazi ukuthi kumele ukukhulekele lokho. Awazi ukuthi kumele uyikhulekele imali yakho. Mohola nje uyikhulekele imali, Nkosi ngicela ukuthi ungiphe ukuhlakanipha ukuthi le mali ngiyisebenzise kahle. Awukwazi lokho, angithi awufuni ukufunda, then uzoyisebenzisa budlabha futhi uzophela ngalo losuku futhi uzobuyela egweledini. Awazi ukuthi kumele uzile ukudla, because ukudla the more uzila the more uNkulunkulu esondela kuwe ezokulalela ukuthi Nkosi yami ufunani, and then akunikeze lento oyifunayo nalento oyidingayo ngesikhathi esifanelekile. So because awazi, awufuni ukufunda, awufuni ukubuza, futhi awufuni ukuyilungiselela and being prepared ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi kumele uzile manje, kumele ukhuleke manje, kumele uhambe, kumele ushumele, kumele wenze whatever ongayenza uyenze manje, then that is when uzoba nenkinga. Abantu into bayaziyo ukuthi kuNkulunkulu kucelwa izinto but we'll get to that. So singabantu kuningi okungenza ukuthi ungazi, kuningi. Number 2, kuningi futhi ongenza ukuthi ukhohlwe. Yazi, the more uba matasa ngezinto eziningi, you forget to focus. Ukhohlwa ukufocus, like, because you are so busy. Cabanga imali, cabanga ukuthi, cabanga imndeni, cabanga ukuthi, cabanga zonke izinto. You get not to be focused ekuthenini ucabanga izinto ezisemqoka ngesikhathi esifanele. And that is when the risk comes again. Urisk ngokuthi umoshe ithuba. So uzimbandakanya ezintweni eziningi kakhulu, ikakhulukazi ezingenaso isidingo, ebese uyalibala kanjalo ke. Kanti uma ungumuntu owehlukanisayo, that is when ukhethe okukodwa. We need to understand singabantu ukuthi, you know, since you are a single person, umuntu oyedwa, you cannot choose many things. Fana nesihlalweni, ngeke uzukwazi ukuhlala ehlalweni ezu3, ezu5, ezu10. You can only sit in one chair because you are a single person. Ngisho kuthiwa benamawele, newele lakho uzohlala kwesinye isihlalo, nomunye ahlala kwesinye isihlalo, kanjalo, because you are single. So nasempilweni, you need to choose one. And there's this saying nje abake basho bathi, yazi amaKristu understand ukuthi wona afunctiona kanjani noma behave kanjani. Yonke into efikayo ayithatha. uNkulunkulu iwona, amadlozi iwona, umngoma iwona, ubunyanga iwona. Yonke into oDiwali bayadla, yonke into bayathatha iwona. AmaKristu awazazi ukuthi ayiliphi. AmaKristu awazazi ukuthi ahambe phi, ashiye kuphi, athathe kuphi, ayeke kuphi. Because konke afuna ukukuthatha, afuna ukushonkathela, ngazi noma ngathi umona noma ngingazi ukuthi yini. That is why inkolo yamaKristu isihambe yaba disrespected kakhulu kangaka empilweni, because abantu abamhloniphi uNkulunkulu. We need to come to a point ukuthi mangumuntu khetha okukodwa. Choose one. If we call ibayikhola one way. If umthakathi thakatha one way. If ungumuntu okhonza amadlozi, khonza wona one way. Wisangoma basangoma one way. Ibayi okodwa, caca ukuthi umile kona, uthembele kona. Because incwadi lapha yami, Isaiah 22 verse 11, sithi ongalungile makenze njalo ongalungile. Ongcolile aqhubeke njalo engcolise. Ongcwele aqhubeke njalo. Qhubeka nalobo uyikona. Uyaphuza uqhubeka kanjalo, ubambelela lapho. Entweni eyodwa so that ungeke uzoba nenkinga. Because uma ufuna ukubamba konke, that is when you get to be confused. That is when you get ingqondo yakho izosaphazeka njengamanje akusazeki ukuthi kwenzakalani ngempilo yakho. But if you are able to choose one, that is when ifocus yakho izokwazi ukuthi ime entweni eyodwa. Fana ne-family guy ozoba nomndeni. Focus emndenini wakhe, engena side chick, engena abanye abantu, uzokwazi ukuthi ekhaya ingane ezithe zishoda ngane, zishoda ngobisi, aliphatha ubisi. Ingane, kumbe Nkosi yami lo mncane uthe uma wakhe angimphathele. You know, because ba focus entweni eyodwa. Nasemsebenzini in your position, You've got one position, focus on it. You will definitely do best emsebenzini wakho, uchume yonke into ihambe kahle. But if you do not focus, then that is when the problem comes. Uyalibala. Kodwa if ungumuntu oqondayo zonke izinto, you focus kuloko kukhethile, because you are the one that makes a choice at the end of the day. Singaba abantu scattered ngezingqondo. Ingqondo ile ibele cabanga lokho nalokho. No. Be here. One lane. Ayikho imoto ikwazi ukuhamba kumaleni awu-2 angithi. Nesitimela sikwazi ukuhamba endaweni eziwu-2 angithi. Sihamba ujantshi owodwa. Imoto ihamba kuleni yodwa umgwaqo. Khona ezinye zangala, ezinye zangala. Nesithuthuthi sihamba endaweni eyodwa. Noma sona sikwazi ukumanuva ezindaweni eziningi, but one. Ngesikwazi ukuyihlukanisa kaningi. You cannot separate it. Nawe muntu, you cannot cut yourself in halves. Hazi ba complain abanye abantu uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe uhlala nezingane eziningi mhlawumbe eziwu5 zithi lambile. Azathi umuntu awu nkosami ngeke phela ngiqobe kawu5 noma kawu10. Ngingedwa phela ngithi niyabona ukuthi ngisakulungisa ukudla, you know, things like that, because we cannot separate ourselves singabantu. So let us learn ukuthi uzosenza sikhohle izinto ezibalekile, uhlezi simbandakanye sibe matasa ngezinto eziningi abantu baNkulunkulu. Ngoba kubalekile kulesi sikhathi esiphila kusona ukuthi sihlezi sikhumbula izinto ekumele siyicele kubaba. Kumele sizazi futhi izinto ekumele siyicele. But uzozazi ngokuthi uyifunde, uzozazi ngokuthi uziqonde, uzozazi ngokuthi ubuze, uzozazi ngokuthi futhi ufocus. So indaba ibuyele ekuthenini kusemqoka nangempela ukuthi sihlale silindile ngokuba asazi kungenzeka ini futhi kanjani. There comes a times lapho khona uzohlaseleka. Yes, we always get attacked. Sonke singabantu lapha emhlabeni, because isitha silwa nento eyodwa, injabulo. So mangabe ujabulile, abanye abantu bake bathi ungajabuli kakhulu because uzohlaseleka nani noma usuku lakho uzovele luphele kabe, because isitha simelene nenjabulo yabantu. So there comes a time lapho khona uzohlaseleka, kodwa uthola ukuthi awazi wena ukuthi uzohlaseleka, because you will never know ukuthi I'll be attacked today, ngizobanja inkunzi namhlanje, things like that sike singazazi. But because uhlezi ready for prayer, uhlezi ready for ukuzila, uhlezi ready for yonke into, athi umoya kaNkulunkulu uma ukuthinta uvela ukhuleke khona lapho. Yabona ke usuzisize kanjalo ke by what? By being always prepared. And kube nezikhathi lapho khona kumele uzile khona ukudla okuyona into engelula kakhulu, kodwa ngoba i-mindset yakho is always focused and is always ready and set. Uhlezi ready and set, fire, go. Bake basho kanjalo ekuthenini uzisize, because this is very important futhi kuyisidingo bantu baNkulunkulu esidingwa yithi, sidingwa uwe empilweni yakho, sidingwa yithi empilweni zethu. So you will not hesitate to say no to food for leso sikhathi, because it's just for a very short period of time. But the challenge esibhekene nayo bantu baNkulunkulu njengamanje ukuthi people are always not ready. Bebezazi kodwa ukuthi izinto zenzeka kanjani, bangazilungiseleli, bangazilindele. Either engalungini kwabo bazoba nenkani, or engalungini kwabo bazokushaya indiva, or engalungini kwabo but either way they will not be ready and intending to do whatever that they need to do ngaleso sikhathi. So you tell a person ukuthi kuzomela ukuthi uzile ukudla ngalesi sikhathi, akholoze nathi hayibo kunomcimbi phela ekhaya nani ngahlala kanjani ngadli, forgetting ukuthi this prayer time mhlawumbe nje ngokuthi uholeleke by telling them that message, ukuzila kwakhe lo 1 day lo 2 days, uwona ubuzowenza lo mcimbi lo ukuthi uhambe kahle, uwona ubuzowenza lo mcimbi lo ukuthi lo muntu lo obufuna ukutshala lo yamuntu ukuthi lo mcimbi lo kushone abantu abawu3 la bebulawa utshwala kungenzeki. But ngokuthi akafuni, they are not ready to zila ukudla, ikona kuzokwenza ukuthi these people bashone la bese kuboshwa yini. Abanga this kind of trouble uNkulunkulu azama ukuthi asindise kuyona, azama ukuthi akuhlenge kukona, but wena because you take ngokuthi ngeke ngize ngikwazi because I'm making a ceremony or I'm doing 1 no 2 no 3. Kanti kona kuzolimaza wena kade uzanile ukuthi usizwe. So we need to know ngaso sonke isikhathi izinto ekumele siyicele uNkulunkulu. We need to be careful ngaso sonke isikhathi izinto ekumele siyilangazelele uNkulunkulu. We need to know. So it's the same thing as being told ukuthi niyahamba ibani ready nilungise nani or nizohamba nje by this time or in an hour's time. Umuntu kushayele lo hour akalungisile futhi kwayena akalungile akazilungisile kwayena awu sezotatazela ke manje la kusiyangcabashela useyabamba uyayeka se yonke into konke aze angakwenzi kahle nangendlela abethanda ngayo sizama ukuphuthuma okunye aze angakwenzi mhlawumbe usezi uyarobha namanje ugeza zonke lezi zinto lezi usezi ukhohlwa nayimali ukhohlwa nayifoni ukhohlwa things like that. Angazi noma yimi bantu baNkulunkulu or abanye abantu baye bakholele ekwenzeni kanjani kodwa ezintweni zonke mina I think and believe it is better to be safe than sorry. It is very 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 better. Ngiyaze ngithi mina umuntu into akayenze asheshe aphelelwe icala. Just do it usheshe uphelelwe icala. Because izodlula vele. The time will come and it will pass. Just do it and just get it over and done with. Udlule kuyona. Because either way ilinde wena. Leya washinga ilinde wena. Ukuthi uzoyenza iweekend noma uzoyenza manje. Nani kodwa ilanga belizokusiza kube uyenza manje. So either way it's going to wait for you. It's going to wait upon your hands. It's going to wait upon your time. Just do it. Usheshe udlule because uzisiza wena kusasa. So in preparing and getting ready, just wake up, bath, eat, do yonke into othanda ukuyenza bese uyahlala ke. Uyazi ukuthi nje sengi-right, sengi-ready nani. So it always comes back ukuthi only smart people, abantu abahlakaniphile kuphela abakwazi ukuthi basheshe bazilungiselele kusana isikhathi because you will not know. Kuzothi umuntu ngizofika ngo-9 ngizokulanda mefika ngo-7 uzokwenza njani? Hayi uthi uzofika ngo-9 nani meshintshe ekuseni isikhathi ngo-5 athi sengizofika early. Yabo ukuthi bekusizile kube mhlawumbe ubu-ayina izolo. Yabo bekusizile kube mhlawumbe izinto eziningi buzilungisa izolo. Washeshe waklina kwayizolo because uyazi ukuthi uzohamba the whole day. So we need to be always ready bantu baNkulunkulu. We need to be always prepared. It's not an easy thing because usukungazi kuzokwenzakalani. But it's simple. Just ukuthi uyisize nje usheshe ube right yonke into ihambe kahle ngendlela ongathanda ngayo nezoba usizo empilweni yakho. So masibuyela to our topic. Yes, abantu bayathanda ukukhuleka. Abantu bayakhuleka futhi uNkulunkulu bayathanda futhi ukucela uJehova kodwa abaningi bayakhohlwa ukuthi kumele bacele ini esemqoka. Ngalesi sikhathi we live in times lapho khona yonke into kumele siyikhulekele. I repeat, I even wrote this in caps. uNkulunkulu ucacisa kakhulu yonke into noma inini nanoma ingasiphi isikhathi kumele siyikhulekele yonke into. Uma ngithi yonke into I mean everything. So uma singakhuleki noma singazi ukuthi kumele sicele ini, sikhulekele ini, sibeke ini enkosini, yilapho siba khona nenkinga ke singabantu. Yazi ukuthi there's this video I just watched, ex witch la ichaza khona ukuthi yazi abantu they pray for cheap things. I quote her uthi nje abantu bakhulekela izinto ezi-cheap. People are so focused on praying for jobs, money, imshado, izinto eziphathekayo, khulekela iPlayStation, khulekela ifridge, khulekela zonke lezi zinto. I'm not saying you shouldn't pray for, izinto mase usithengile zikhona kwakho. It's important ukuthi uyibiyele vele. Kubalekile ukuthi isitofu opheka ngaso uyasibiyela vele ngoba singafana noma nini. Ukukhulekele konke, especially abantu bakaNkulunkulu. But I don't want people ukuthi bahlezi bene full focus and force ukuthi njalo bakhulekela izinto ekuthenini bazisike bazifune because kumele ube nento oyidingayo ngaleso sikhathi. So the X which it's abantu, they're busy praying for izinto useless. But what I quote kakhulu ukuthi since abantu busy bekhulekela lezi zinto, isitha siyabona and nabo bayabona, and they are busy doing the most kubantu. They are busy doing whatever abayithandayo, because wena busy ukhulekela umsebenzi angithi uyakhohlwa ukuthi hayibo kumele ngikhulekele nokudla, uyakhohlwa ukuthi kumele ngikhulekele namanzi, uyakhohlwa ukuthi kumele ngikhulekele uqobo lwami, ngiyakhohlwa kumele ngikhulekele impahla, because wena ukhulekela umsebenzi angithi ingqondo yakho so full focus nomsebenzi. But Satan is busy on the side. He's busy with izimpilo zabantu, making people kill themselves, killing people ngezinto eziningi. So ngale nkathi umuntu busy focus ekhulekela umsebenzi, uzokhohlwa ukuthi akhulekele abantwana bakhe. Abantwana bakhe bayalimala lapha esikoleni, amadimoni adlala ngabantwana bakhe, abhizi aba-initiator nani. Yena ubhizi ukhulekela ukuthi nakona futhi akakhuleka isikhathi eside. Akhohlwe umuntu ukuthi ukudla kuyakhulekelwa, because ukudla kugcwele ama-chemicals njengamanje, kugcwele yonke imimoya, kuthakathiwe. Every food usakuthenga nje, it's got all sort of spells, izinto esingazazi. Pray for it kusafika, hlambulule or do whatever, ukhulekele futhi masuzodla. Pray for it all the time. It's important. It is a need oyidingayo empilweni yakho, to always pray for your food, always pray for zonke lezi zinto, because wena ubhizi ukhulekela ezinye izinto. Isithi asibhizi ke sona sikwenza ungakhulekela ukudla, khona uzothi ukudla bese kudalela lezo zifo lezo zoshukela, lezo zenhliziyo, zonke lezi zifo lezi ezikhona ngaleso sikhathi. Another thing that is very important abantu abangayazi kumele bayikhulekele, it is water. Amanzi la phuma empompini, they're so dirty. Abantu bayabulawa ngamanzi asempompini, bayabulawa ngezinto eziningi. Manzi from water cans ongenayo sure ukuthi kunani kuzona. But if you do your research, uyathola ukuthi lamanzi ano fluoride, ano chlorine, ano jiki, zonke lezi zinto. Those things are chemicals, because you do not pray for them. Awukhulekele ucela umoya kaNkulunkulu ukuthi uxoshe konke ongase kulimaze kubulale wena, then bese uba nenkinga. Because when you're so full focused ukuthi ufuna ukukhulekela nje ukuthi Nkosi yami ngibe muhle nami kuloya mshado, khulekela lokho. Uyakhohlwa ukukhulekela amaphupho. You do not pray for your dreams. Uyahlasela njalo emaphusheni, uyanqotsha njalo wena emaphusheni, uyashawa nje, uyavuka ekuseni usuyikhohliwe leyo nto phela, because awunalo ulwazi nokuqonda ukuthi this is something that you need to pray for. This is something that needs to be always on your mind, ekumele hlezi uyinxusa uNkulunkulu ukuthi akusize kuyona. Sokunye uyakhumbula leso sikhathi lapho ubuye emsebenzini uthi hey yazi ulikhumbule lephupho, uthi yazi ngiqonda ngiphupha ukuthi uthi uyabuya emsebenzini awufica ingane zigcolisile endlini, lapho abaphekile abanye, usukhohliwe. Ubuthi hayi mangifika nje endlini ngifuna ukuthi ngikhuleke same time, usukhohliwe. At least mhlasimpe have a small paper la uzobhala khona everything oyicabanga ngaleso sikhathi, so that makufika isikhathi sakho sokukhuleka uyazi ukuthi okay nako emele ngicele, nako kumele ngibonge, nako kumele nginxuse, nako kumele ngibeke kuNkulunkulu. Ubhale efonini yakho or wherever, because uNkulunkulu amazi watshala ngesikhathi sakhe, watshala ngale umzuzu loyo, and kusuke umzuzu ofanele. So nale ndaba yokungafundi bantu baNkulunkulu, seeking the information, we all need all this information so that izosisiza. And kuvimbezela abantu abaningi ekuthenini bangazi ukuthi kanti umuntu ulwiswa aphinda abulawa ngezinto eziningi kanje. Abantu abaningi abazi ukuthi amanzi contaminated. They do not know ukuthi food is contaminated. They don't know ukuthi izinyama zijoviwe. They do not know all these things. They don't know ukuthi emaphushweni uyahlaselwa. They don't know ukuthi ngezimali lezo share emathexini you get to be dirty. They do not know ukuthi ama-period angcolisa. They don't know ukuthi kumele bazihlambulule. They know nothing. And the more they do not know all these things, bengafuna ukufunda, bengafuna ukwazi, that is more they get so attacked. That is more belingwa kwenzeka zonke izinto ezenzakalayo ezimpilweni zabo. So it goes to an extent of everything esiyithintayo. I quote nje futhi from another video ekhuluma ngokuthi even the pictures isithombe sakudala, mhlawumbe the ornaments, all these things zinama-spells akhona noma ziney'vumelano zakhona, because even nesithombe somdwebo osibekayo lapha edongweni, it represent a certain spirit, it represent a certain thing, because imimoya iroma around in each and everything, iroma around ezintweni eziningi esizithintayo, esizibandakanayo, esizibonayo, ezenzakalayo. Imali lesiyishera sonke emhlabeni, loya 10 rand loya ungahamba uzufika eGoli, uthintwe abantu abanjani, uthintwe izandla ezinjani. So kumele sihlezi sazi sifunde abantu baNkulunkulu so that sizozisiza thina, ngoba kulimala thina ekugcineni kosuku, ngokuba izimpilo zethu ziyigugu kakhulu. I know ziyigugu kubaba uNkulunkulu, okudlula yonke into esibonayo. We see everything, yinhle igugu, imoto igugu, umuzi omngaka uyigugu, hlala kwingqovu yesofa kuyigugu, kumnandi. Yonke into yabukeka vele, uhlala usuyibuka leyo flat screen leyo 80 inches nani kuhle, kuyigugu kumnandi, kodwa konke njengoba ngisho kuyigugu kusala la emhlabeni. But into eyigugu kakhulu, deep within, it is your soul, deep within umphefumulo wakho, nawo udinga ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi uhlezi usebenzela, ulangazelela, uhlezi ukhuthalela ekuthenini ufinyelele lapho uthanda ukuthi ufinyelele khona ngelinye ilanga, because uyigugu wena, ulangazelela uJehova umdali wezulu nomhlaba. And uyigugu kudlula yonke into ke, because konke lokho lapha emhlabeni ku2 minutes kungaphela manje, so yeah, game over, shayise leyo moto kuphele ngawo. Bese ke qala phansi ke ekuthenini emphefumulweni wenzeni, uyenzeleni umphefumulo wakho, ulenzeleni ngaphakathi lakho. So asibekeni thina qala bantu baNkulunkulu, ungabeki imali eqala ngikusize ngalokuthi uzosala emhlabeni, ungabeki imoto eqala izofa iphinde kudalela inkinga, iphinde futhi ikwenza ube nestress nani, but beka umphefumulo wakho qala, wena uyigugu ngaphezulu kwayo yonke. Asizibekeni thina phambili bantu baNkulunkulu ukuze siqaphele sikudingayo, bese siyazicelela enkosini isisize ibe nathi ngokuthi sikhumbule esikudingayo ngaso sonke isikhathi, futhi sizijwayeze kakhulu ke. When it comes to ukukhumbula, you need to get used to meditating. Ungumuntu kumele ujwayele ukuthi uzindle, ucabanga, ukujula, ukuhlale nje endaweni ethule, ukuyicabangela, ujule nje ngempilo, ujule nje ngawe, ujule ngezinto eziningi, because by ukujula, that is when you will raise more questions ukuthi hayibo kaphela ukuthi why kuukuthi. And the more you raise more questions, that is more you will get curious and seek ukwazi, and then masuwazi uzobe usuqonda bese uyazi ukuthi kumele uyisize kuphi, kumele udede kuphi, kumele wenze kuphi, kumele ungenzi kuphi. So singabantu phinde futhi siqaphele kakhulu nokudla esikudlayo, not eating ukudla okuningi kuzokwenza ukuthi njalo ingqondo yakho icabanga ukuthi kumele idle nani, not eating ukudla futhi okungcolisa kakhulu imizwa yethu, osawoti, mafutha, shukela. Lokhu kuzokwenza ukuthi ingqondo yakho ihlezi idungekile, and sijwayele nokuziklina, sizihlambulule our colons, like ujwayele ukuthi especially thina abantu abamnyama uchathe, you know, when icolon yakho iclean, uchathile, nengqondo yakho iba clean, because yonke into eyenzakala emzimbeni yakho ireporta straight back to your mind, straight back to your brain. That is why umuntu othanda ukudla kakhulu yena into ayicabangayo njalo uhleze ecabanga into engenamsebenzi, engasile, because vele ingqondo yakhe igcwele ukuthi nje hayi, it's all about food, it's all about food, it's all about food. But ingqondo yakho kumele ibe clear nje, i-rest. Abanye abantu bake baze babelieve ekuthenini uma ungumuntu at least eat noma ikabili noma ikanye ngosuku, so that ingqondo yakho izohlezi ifunctiona ngendlela efanelekile. But if you eat more and eat more and eat more, uzolibela ucabanga. And I quote this doctor, I think it's Dr. Sepi, he once said ukuthi the more you eat, the more your body tells you you're hungry. Lapho uthola ukuthi awulambile, kodwa ngoba ingqondo yakho ihlezi cabanga lokho, ugcina uyitshela ukuthi yona into oyidingayo kanti into ungayidingi at the end of the day. So asidle kahle, simeditate, sikhuleke, sisondele kuJehova khona ezosisiza ukuze ingqondo yethu ihlale ihlanzekile, ikubambe konke okunesidingo ngesikhathi esifanele. So bantu bakaNkulunkulu, isihloko sethu sithi abantu abakwazi kumele bakucele futhi bayakukhohlwa. Njengamanje this is the solution ngoba hlezi lilihle ithemba ngezimpilo zethu, hlezi kukuhle masisaphila ukuthi sisengenza kangcono, sisengalungisa, singabuyela kuJehova, sisengazihlelembela, sisengazihlenga. Indaba ingawe, ingumphefumulo wakho, ingokuphila okuphakade. Buyela kuJehova so that uzokwazi ukukhumbula izinto okumele uzicele, izinto okumele uzazi, izinto okumele uziqonde futhi uzihlale njalo uzikhumbula. So isihloko sithi yazi futhi khumbula okumele ukucele kuJehova, ngoba lokho kuzoba usizo empilweni yakho kusasa. Inkosi nje ibe nani, inibusise kakhulu. Ngakhohlwa nje ukuthi khona ezinye inkundla zokuxhumana which is uTikTok uLihle Ithemba, Instagram, Facebook uLihle Ithemba Mzobe, and sacela sidlulisela amazwi nakwabanye bathole ukuphulukiswa. Inkosi nje ibe nani, ningakhohlwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyasizonda isono, uNkulunkulu uyabuthanda ubungcwele. Amen.